Okay, good morning guys. Today we're gonna continue the diagnose and repair light vehicle engine. Okay, we refresh a little bit. This unit we are talking about how we diagnose the engine and how do we repair the engine. But most likely we focus on how do we diagnose. Okay, when the customer come to a workshop, they complain the vehicle cannot start, or the vehicle fuel consumption very bad, or they hear very weird sound, or they have a white or black smoke come out from the exhaust pipe, or even they say, oh, this car running overheat. So you bring the car to workshop, we need to diagnose. And in this situation, might be related to the engine. So we have to do a lot of diagnose. In the end, you see, might be the engine have a problem, might be have a blown head gasket, or wrong piston ring, or even the time is not correct. You must thinking, but we need to diagnose and give evidence to the boss, or give a customer say, oh, this is the result. After I diagnose, I need to show you, because this result you need to maybe change the head gasket, or do an engine overhaul, or replace the timing belt to get the alignment right. Because this all they all cost a lot of money, so you need to show you evidence. Okay. Today we're gonna show you a couple of tools. First one, while we talk about the first one, I use a TK test. This one is related to a cooling system, but also related to the engine. Why? This one is
mixing the oil and coolant.
The coolant, no, it's a major, is any combustion gas leaking to the cooling system. There's a liquid chemical inside. If you color change, you will show you, oh, this one have a bone head. The next one, I will show you the compression test kit. Every time we remove spark plug, we disconnect the fuel line, the relay. We pull this tool in and crank it. And this gauge will show you how much pressure inside compression. Yeah. And we have to do all the cylinder, and we can compare to the spec and show any compression is lower than before. Maybe one or two is lower than others. Also, we do a dry test and wet test. Okay.
This one is dry, and wet we will put on the engine oil. Yeah, and check if
the number is the same or not. Okay. And on the third one, we will use a scan tool to diagnose this vehicle and the other vehicle out the Q7 outside.
Yes.
I want you guys go through all the function and write down especially on the engine focal and transmission focal and airbag. These three. Yeah. Okay. And also in the end, in the end of today, we need to do how to check the timing. We have one engine already take out. Yeah. I want you to take out the engine cover, yeah, and to show me if this timing is correct or not. I will provide a workshop menu, and you guys have to set up a timing and show me this is correct or this is not correct, and how do you make it right. Okay? Yeah. We'll start from this one. We'll start from the TK test. This TK test is a very simple and very good, yeah, the tool. So later on, we put the chemical liquid. Yeah. Inside here, just a little bit. There's a marking line here. Yeah. And we dip into the coolant. Yeah. And then we give a couple of pumps to suck out air from the coolant system. Okay. If the thing have a warm head gasket, the gas will leak into the coolant system, right? Okay. And you will come to here. Yeah. And you will react with this chemical. The chemical is blue. If you have a bone head gasket, you will become yellow. Yeah. Okay. Nami, can you help me? And this one. See, the color was like light
Light,
blue,
yeah.
right? And we just pour a little bit. And we'll put this one back. Okay, now we have to deal with the coolant system now.
Yeah.
What is the first thing we need to check?
You take the visual inspection of
It's not hot.
Yeah, both right. The label and the non-hot, because now we have to open the radiator cap. Okay,
It's
this
a
one.
simple cap. It's if it is another one, other cars, then you need to more
No,
conscious.
this one also have a pressure inside.
Yeah.
So you have to make sure it's a cool.
Cool.
So now the engine is cold, no pressure
No
inside.
pressure,
Okay, can you open for me, please? This coolant reservoir also have a radiator cap, and also normally you will have only fill half, right? So you have the air inside, but on the normal radiator it's on here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you open the radiator, it's a full. You need to suck out a little bit coolant, and you put this pressure in, the tester in. Okay. Can you turn on the engine for me, please? So now the engine is running, right?
Yeah.
The cooler is still cold, but if you have a warm gas key, the combustion, the gas inside combustion chamber will leak out to a cooling system. Now we put a test on the top. The rubber we can seal it and give you a couple of squeeze. So you will suck out the air inside and then react it with this liquid. You can wait a little bit, but normally around 5 volts suction should be alright.
So you suck the coolant, air particles, with okay.
Not particle, the
gas.
gas,
Yeah.
the air.
Only
You
gas.
will be sucking out from here and react it with this chemical. Okay. You see the color is still the same, right?
Yeah.
So it's sure it means the head gasket is still okay.
Okay.
The coolant didn't leak out. Okay, I will show you how will it happen if we react with other gas. Can you close this one for me? Keep it running. So this is exhaust pipe, right?
Yes.
If react with the gas, it will become
Yes, yellow inside is yellow.
right?
Yeah.
Hello, you can see. You can turn off the engine, please. This is just an example. If this liquid we add with the gas from the cylinder head, the inside cylinder, it will become yellow. Okay, it means you have a blown head gasket. It will show you, it's a evidence. You can show to your boss or show customer, or you have the worn head gasket. So now you need to rebuild engine, repair head gasket. Got it?
So, but sir, this one is like we can check in every car from here or from there.
No, from there.
From there.
From
You're
there.
just showing to see if the.
Let's
if
show
this
you
is
the
changing
result.
or
What
not.
will
Do
happen
not
if
change.
we add
Okay.
the gas? Let's
Yeah.
not from here. Only from the cooling system. Okay.
You're coming from here is normal.
नहीं, अभी यहाँ से
You want to show you the change of
color, so he's doing that.
Yeah. Okay. So after you test, we just dispose all this one. Or you can reuse. You will keep squeezing and it will become blue.
again blue.
Yeah. So I did this one, the side and we clean later.
Yeah, we done it this one.
Oh, do you want to try?
No, it's okay.
You sure?
No, it's okay. haven't took this type of test.
It's not blown, so it will be fluid only.
Yeah. Okay. First of all, this is a real scenario. This car run a little bit shaky and comes soon a little bit oil and no more car, and there's a little bit smoke come out from when you put your foot on accelerator pedal. So I'm concerned might be the oil ring is worn out for this car. Oil ring or piston ring. Yeah. So now we need to do the compression test for this vehicle. Okay.
What is the name of this test?
TK.
TK.
I show you first. This is a compression test kit, and they have a couple of different adapters. After we took out the cover, remove the coil pack, remove the spark plug, disconnect the fuel relay. We check the spark plug first. Anyway, is there any condition of spark plug egg or back? Yeah. If one of cylinder is losing compression, or you have a blown head gasket, you can see one of the spark plug is different. The color is very white or very black. You can see it. And then we put a compression test kit in, and then we can crank it around 7 revolution, and then we write down result. Okay. First thing.
चल भाई रिमूव करा दो निकाल ले और वो निकाल
This is a long summary. I want you guys to find out which one is fuel relay. And the place will be work for you. Henry, 可以打开你的动力箱吗？哪里放这里？没有开。好，不要先开上面。
सालों फ्यूल रिले बोलना फ्यूल की कुछ ये फ्यूल बोला ना फ्यूल की रिले तो होती है एकदम की सिस्टम है
Fuel relay.
फ्यूल रिले
Yeah, fuel relay.
फ्यूल फिल्टर
Fuel pump relay, fuel relay.
Same?
We just disconnect the
Okay.
fuel. Fuel relay or fuel fuse. I prefer a relay.
It's 15A
Which one?
on this one.
Show me. This one is fuse. I want you to find a relay. Next page.
Yeah, this one.
Relay.
Fuel
pump.
Yes.
R13.
R13. Please find out R13 and remove it, please. You check here.
Yeah.
There is no diagram on the
Oh, yeah.
cover. Normally, that's why I provide
Over
with some
you
review.
can assist.
On the first page, R13. Which one is R13?
Sir, this one is this one should be
R13. Show me. This one?
Yeah, black one.
Yes.
Black one.
Okay.
Suppose yellow.
Pull out.
Pull out.
Pull out. Okay. Put in a safety position. Yeah. And this cover, make sure you put in the proper position, otherwise you will fall down. Okay. Next one, can you remove the cover for me, please? This one we can leave it.
क्या घूमने पड़ेगा जी ये तो क्या गुंडा बन गया?
ऐसे ही निकलती है,
हाँ?
ऐसे ही निकलती है। Why is always taking video?
Evidence.
And please leave this one.
ओए यार इसको मटेरियल लेना था यार करता हूँ क्या ये लाख हो जाए
ऐसे क्यों कहीं पे रखता है भाई?
हाँ इसको रख दो
इसको भी
अबे इसको इसी पे जाने दो हो जाएंगे
कोई प्लेट निकाल, स्पार्क प्लग भी निकाल, स्पार्क प्लग भी निकाल रहे हैं, स्पार्क प्लग निकाल लेते हैं।
And remove the coil pack, please. Just leave it on the side.
Coil pack in the
Oh, you need the.
फैन
3 only. Wow.
किसे भाई?
Up to you. Is the right size?
Yeah.
All good?
right hand together.
Okay, put
तो
it
होल्ड
in.
पर डाल देते हो
You
होल्ड
can put it in there or you can put on a bench here. Okay, next one, remove the spark plug. Check this one the correct size or not. Is the right size?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes sir.
I think. Okay. After you remove, you have to put in order, okay? Put your
Okay.
eyes number 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, okay?
Okay.
निकाल ले
ये सारे ढीला तो होंगे पूरा.
Okay, inspect the spark plug, please.
Two tire.
Can you tell me how is the spark plug?
It should be okay, sir. You see this one, right?
You tell me.
Is it
You tell me first and I explain to you.
I mean, yes, it's not cracked. It's good. For me.
Yeah, it's a radiant and the color looks okay and the head it's not really it's normal one, but head is okay. It's pretty square and the gap normally we have a special tool to measure the gap.
Okay.
Feeder gauge.
And this one a little bit oil in the top because the rocker cover is leaking.
Okay.
So when you remove it, you can see some oil is sticky on the spark plug. Okay, continue remove the other three. And this one I put in here, number 4. You have to inspect each one, okay?
This one is too much oil.
Have a lot of oil, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because rocker cover is pretty bad.
One, two, three, 5 number.
फर्स्ट निकाल ले वो रेचेट निकाल इजी पड़ेगा. अरे वो नहीं सिर्फ वो रेचेट निकाल ले. हाँ अब निकाल.
Normally when we do the compression test, we need to warm up the car.
Little bit.
Hey, warm up to the operating temperature. But before we warm on already, so it's okay.
So we don't need to.
It's warm up already. How about this one?
This one also too much like not orange, but it's oil color.
No, pretty much the same.
It's oil from the upper side, then it means the lower level of
The gasket.
gasket. And if you don't do adjustment, it's a cylinder gasket or a oil ring maybe. ना?
How many minutes?
नहीं आई नहीं
23.